Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1948 Chevy 3100 half-ton pickup, beautifully restored. Got Glenn here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Glenn?
Okay, it's
pretty truck.
Yeah, it's got disc brakes in the front.
Okay.
They were converted over. The engine was rebuilt approximately 5 years ago.
6-cylinder thrift master.
6-cylinder, 216, and it's been upgraded to a 12-volt system.
Oh, great.
It's got an alternator on it.
Nice bright lights all the way around, right?
Right. It's got LED lights. All the chrome was done on it. The bed was all done. Truck itself like that there. Rides nice. It's still mostly stock, aside from the 12-volt system and the disc brakes.
Looks like you got oak back here.
Yep.
Very nicely done.
It's got the turn signals, the LED lights over here for the brake lights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and bright at night too.
Yep. That's what we had to do because the other lights are a little dim.
Yep.
And it's got the corner windows, which is
5 window.
a plus.
Very nice.
It's got a Fulton visor on it.
Beautiful paint.
And it's got the upgrade with the rims from LMC with the
moons.
baby moon hubcaps.
Yeah. Very cool. Paint looks pretty fresh too. When was that done?
This was done probably about 2 years ago.
Upgraded headlights too, I could see.
Yeah. They've got the ring on them, like the BMWs.
Oh, the halo.
The halo.
Yeah,
Yep.
very cool. Very nice. I love the big stout grill on these trucks.
Yeah.
Just
it
unmistakable.
really shows off. I particularly don't like the 54s that much with the bullnose grill. I like this Venetian shaped grill, you know.
I think that's the most popular.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And it's got all the trim on the doors.
Okay.
That go around the doors. And
Oh,
also
cool.
the upgrade on the windows.
Oh,
got the
so you got
chrome.
the chrome on the windows. Very
Yep.
nice.
That run all the way around the frames.
And I like the Fulton visor too.
Yeah.
That was a really nice upgrade. That's an original Fulton too.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. And this is how they did it.
Yeah.
1948.
All the gauges work.
Okay.
And as I said, 12 volt, the amp gauge works. Even the fuel gauge, everything works in the truck.
Very cool. 78,874 miles.
Yep. It's got a
Pretty cool.
viewfinder because of the Fulton visor.
Oh yeah. If you guys don't know what that is, basically the viewfinder allows you to look at the light without breaking your neck looking under the visor.
Right.
Very cool. Got a heater too, huh?
Yep.
Very nice. Well, let's check out under the hood.
Okay.
Headliner's nicely done too. Very cool.
Come on, Glenn. That was like your truck. Just sold one and can't forget already.
Oh, it's got the Ooga horn.
Well, that's actually 12 volt.
Okay.
And it's actually louder because of the 6 volt.
Whoa.
Yeah, they're pretty loud. They're 6 volt horns, but when they put 12 volt to them, they're pretty
Really
loud.
juicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Single downdraft. Is that a Carter? W1?
Yeah. That's the old style. But
They work great. Nice
it
fuel
works,
efficient,
runs
right?
good. And this has got Protronics ignition. There's no points in this.
Oh,
so you don't
great.
have to worry about burning out the points.
Oh, good.
Okay. We
Nice
did
and
an
convenient,
upgrade. We did an
reliable.
upgrade on that, yeah.
Very nice. I love these little 6-cylinders. They just run forever.
They're easy to work.
They are. Plenty of room under the hood.
Yeah.
Very neat. Let's fire it up.
Okay.
Man, this thing is super clean. Like a sewing machine, right? 3 on the tree?
303.
Very cool. I just love the sound. Yeah, love the sound of the lifters ticking away. It's so cool. Nice honest truck. Getting more and more popular, these little trucks.
Yeah.
Very cool.
If you want to get a shot at the gauges with the oil pressure.
Oh yeah.
Like that for the run.
Very nice. Hey Glenn, can we go buzz it around the block?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Man, these windows just come down like butter too. Look at that. I like the chrome around the windows.
Yeah, it's a nice touch, you know?
It really is. Alright, so he's going into first gear.
Yep.
Down and to the left.
We go.
There we go. Very cool. A lot of thumbs up this truck, huh?
Wow, this is unbelievable.
I like the corner windows too. It's such a nice touch.
Yeah, but you can really have a nice view.
Takes a little to get used to the...
Oh yeah, you know, it's like all trucks are different. I have, you know, the one that was that we just sold now, you know.
One.
And the blue one that I have, the 55, yeah.
That was cool. Nice, gauges working great. Just have to stick your thumb out the window for the speedometer.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
A lot of the guys, they'll use GPS on their phone. That's how you get the speed. Pretty cool.
Okay, go up another block.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.